Hello my friends, I have another abstract background for you for Fusion Davinci Resolve. Templates you can download on my blog, and link for my blog will be under the video and video description. So let's get to it. Okay, once you open the Fusion, go on FX Library, Templates and folder where you extracted the file. My folder is Design, and then just drag and drop glowing triangle. Connect to the media out. Click number 2 on the keyboard, wait few seconds to render, and you will get the background. As you can see, this one is in 4K, and when I ungroup I will show you what's going on here. As you can see, this one, the first one, this node is here for adding something else if you want. These two I will show you when you disconnect. This is for the lights, these two lights, and then the first one here is for the glowing light. Another one is for these lights. It's like a glowing neon. You can see very bright yellow. And then down here is the light, starlight. It's a small light in cross. And then I included here two nodes. You can add something extra if you wish. This one is for the background, as you can see, black, yellow, whatever. And that's it. Okay, thank you for watching. If you like this video, give it a like, give a dislike if you didn't, follow me on social media, subscribe to the channel, comment under the video if we have any questions, and I will see you in another video.